In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to force restart your iPhone. A force restart, also called a hard reset, is useful when your iPhone is frozen, unresponsive, or stuck. Now let's see how to easily force restart your iPhone. In your iPhone left hand side, you get this volume up button and the volume down button. So you have to quickly press and release the volume up button for one time and volume down button for one time, and then you have to hold down the power button. Now let's do it. Quickly pressing and releasing the power up, power down, and holding down the power button. And don't release your finger from the power button until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. Don't release your finger still. And now you can release your finger, and that's how you will be able to easily force restart your iPhone. Thanks for watching.